You are appearing for which interview?
Exim Bank.
Acha, good. 1 minute. Mm, Is this your first or second mock interview?
Second mock.
Yeah. Please tell us about yourself briefly.
Um, sure. Um, Thank you so much. First of all, thank you for this opportunity. My name is Rinki Sharma. I'm from Howrah, West Bengal. I studied from Howrah only. I did my graduation in Become Honors from Calcutta University. After that, I started my CA journey through direct entry student. I completed my 3 years of articleship in indirect taxation, where I have hands-on experience in indirect taxation compliance like GST 1 3B. Also, doing the annual compliances like GST 99C. Apart from that, uh, I'm also managing my team of 8 to 10 people, which shows my leadership skills. And I'm living in a family of 5 people. My father is running a furniture business. My mother is a food content creator. My elder sister is a HR, and my younger brother is doing his bachelor's.
So, when did you complete your chartered accountancy?
May 24 last year.
Oh, last year only. Good. So, you are working for?
Agarwal Jain Company as an associate.
Excellent. In what way do you think you will fit into the role of management trainee in Exim Bank?
Um, as a management training of Exim Bank required both technical and interpersonal skills. I believe during the course of my chartered accountancy, I developed both the skills. Um, like technical skills, I have the knowledge of all the regulatory requirements, like um, like RBI compliances, NPA procedures. Um,
Yeah. Now, can you tell me NPA procedures? What is the definition of NPA? What is the provisioning requirements?
Definition: if any loan amount or principal amount is not recovered till
Mm,
after
mm.
90 days, till 90 days, then it's categorized in NPA. The and if any loan is fall under the NPA, we need to meet the provisions. There
Mm.
are different categories. If it's a standard and secured, then we need to provision of 15%. If it's not secured, then up to 1 year, 25%, 1 to 3 years, 40%, and more than that, after 3 years, 100%. And if it's a loss asset, 100% provision is required to be made.
Here, I think you may have to make a revision under doubtful assets. D1 certain percentage, D2 certain percentage. Please go through the instructions. Otherwise, whatever you have said is right, but subdivisions are there in that. Okay.
Okay, so okay.
Now, can you tell me what are your views on privatization of banks?
Uh,
No, could you follow my question? What are your views on privatization of banks? Is it really good or not good?
mm,
What
I think
happened?
yeah,
No, why?
privatization of
Why are you struggling?
uh, uh, no idea, sir.
What happened? This is a very common topic, na?
Yes, sir.
So, no, instead of giving your views, can you tell me what will happen if banks are privatized? Uh, what will be its result for the community from the angle of investors? These two angles.
Community and investors.
No, no, but I asked you this question because this was asked in one of the interviews in Exim Bank only, and I have
Okay.
given it as a question also. In the questions given to you, it is given. Doesn't matter. See, you please search in Google and try to make out an answer for this question.
Okay, sure, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Good. Very good. So, can you please tell us about uh, what are your ideas regarding Exim Bank and its products? Tell us.
Mm. Exim Bank is the export credit is a principal export credit agency of India, uh, and it offers various of product for promoting export and import business in India. Export product are buyer's credit, mm, corporate banking, lines of credit, overseas overseas investment, project financing, uh, Ubarte Sitare's program, uh, trade assistance program, and sustainable financing program.
Mhm. Good. Now, can you talk on any one of these topics?
Yes. Uh, l- sure, sir.
What happened?
Ubarte
Doesn't
Sitare
matter.
program.
Yeah, Ubarte Sitare. Tell me.
Yes, Ubarte Sitare program is introduced uh, basically for promoting the companies which are have a good potential in the export market, and they become the future champions if they getting the proper assistance of trade, like of finance, and also the guidance for the export. The objective of the bank is to first select the sector where there's a requirement for uh, select the sector where there is a potential of doing the business and leveraging the global market. Second, select the companies who having the unique technical product and process. If there is any existing product, existing business which are in the export business, they are going to identify their problem or obstacles and try to resolve them. Also,
Mm.
uh, companies, MSME.
Yeah. Can
Yeah.
you tell me about types of guarantees?
Yes. Performance guarantee. Uh, what are that? Performance guarantee. Then
What happened today? Suddenly you are forgetting everything.
I
Because
have been.
even in the last interview, you were participating very well.
I know, sir. I think
Suddenly you have forgotten, or is it because it is early morning? Yeah, I don't know.
no, sir. I'm forgotten, and yesterday I'm not get a chance to revise a single topic due to work pressure. I have to meet the deadline of GSTR 3B. I'm working
What
from
what what
last
is
week.
what was the deadline for you?
It's 20th, like January, but like I have
It
to
was
complete it before.
before which date? January 31st?
No, 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 sir. By 18th only, because I want to study it for my interview. That's why
Acha,
I
acha, for
want to
that. Acha.
complete it earlier.
You created a deadline for yourself. Please see on the
Yes,
screen.
yes, sir.
Please read the
Uh,
types of guarantees.
there are many type of bank guarantees, including advance payment guarantee, protect the buyer if the seller does not deliver the goods and services as promised. Bid bond guarantee ensure that a winning bidder will accept the project and fulfill their obligation. Performance guarantee ensure that a seller will deliver the goods or services as promised. Payment guarantee ensure that the buyer will pay the seller as agreed. Warranty guarantee ensure that the buyer will receive a warranty on goods and services after delivery. Retention money guarantee ensure that a buyer will receive a final payment after a contract is completed. And then is financial guarantee ensure that um,
The
Ensure that the
applicant.
applicant will meet their financial obligation. Deferred payment guarantee, a payment guarantee that is offered for a set period of time. Foreign bank guarantee, a guarantee used in international trade that involve two bank from different countries.
Yeah, actually, so many guarantees are given, but what
Hmm.
is very famous is performance guarantee,
Hmm.
financial guarantee, deferred payment guarantee,
Hmm.
probably advance payment guarantee. These four will do.
Okay.
You please prepare about these things. It will help you. Okay. You may have to study on that one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I am giving this in our group also. Mm, yeah, yeah, 90. Yeah, good. Now, next question. All the questions are what have been given to you in the materials. Only from there I am asking. I'm not asking anything different. Now, can
Okay.
you tell us what are the ratios the bankers will be looking into before granting a term loan or a project loan? Ratio
Term.
analysis.
They are looking for CARA ratio. CARA ratio stands for credit to risk credit to risk weighted assets coverage ratio.
No,
Uh,
no. Why that is relevant? That is relevant only for banks. Credit to risk weighted asset ratio is relevant in the case of banks, CAR ratio. Whereas what we are discussing is about Exim Bank considering proposal for a big company for
okay.
some foreign contract and all that. I think, yeah, tell me what are the ratios? It is already
Uh,
given to you in the form of material. Na? It is given in our folder also. So many ratios, like say sales turnover ratio, creditors ratio, then current ratio, then debt service coverage ratio, then debt equity ratio, and all that. Okay.
okay, sir.
Debt service coverage ratio means what?
Debt service coverage ratio means the ability of the company, like how frequently they are going to cover the debt liability. The formula is the operating profit divided by total debt.
Total debt, repayment, repayment installment. Whether the company can produce earnings to an extent that it will be able to repay the installments that are due. It need not repay the total debt. Please revise that. I think you have forgotten. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Mm. What is a letter of credit?
Letter of credit is a financial instrument. Uh, it's a financial instrument which a bank promise to pay if the counterparty is fails to fulfill all the terms of the contract. It's basically used for promoting the international trade. It's a important document for doing the international trade.
Have you heard about lines of credit?
Yes, sir. It's a product of Exim Bank, offered by Exim Bank. In the lines of credit, they provide credit facility to the sovereign of other countries, and I think I need to read about it more.
No problem. Now, please tell me what is Surface Act.
Surface securitization of asset
You need not
securitization.
explain. You need not explain the
Okay.
this thing, but text. Tell us how it is used, or what are the important provisions of that. It is dealing about deposits, or it is dealing about capital, or it is dealing about recovery of NPA. What is it? What way it is helpful for a banking institution?
Surface Act helps to recover the NPA. They like they give of 60 days of notice to the person,
Mm,
like who has taken the loan or advances. If they do not respond within the time frame given to them, then the assets, like secured assets for against the loan, they are going to be sell those assets and recover the amount.
mm. No, but your answer can be more elaborate. For example, Surface Act is an act used in order to recover the NPA amount without going to the court. So they give a notice under section some 14A or so for 60 days. And if even after that the money is not repaid, then the bank will try to take um, possession of the property. And after taking possession of the property, the bank will release advertisement in newspapers and also in the internet for bringing the property for auction, e-auction, electronic auction. And then in the electronic auction, the property will be sold and the money will be recovered. I think
Okay.
you may have to tell something more in detail about it. Doesn't matter. Mm, Tell me few points about FEMA Act.
Foreign Exchange Management Act. It's basically for regulating the foreign currency transaction. Like in respect of export, of export and import, there are timelines given by the FEMA Act. Like if we export the goods or services, we need to repatriate the money within 6 months. If it's not repatriated with the 6 months, we need to take approval uh, from the export authority, for the extension of time. And under the FEMA Act, like the person got the benefit of a liberalized remittance scheme, under which $250,000 is repatriated from India uh, to other countries. And FEMA Act is also regulated the investment in other countries, and also giving some restriction of investment, um, like not going to be invested in in the civil business, chit fund. Mm,
Okay.
then again,
Please tell me what is the expansion of IBC.
uh, insolvency insolvency bankruptcy code.
Can you tell a few points about that?
IBC code is introduced in the year 2016. This code is basically for like for regulating the liquidation of the company. IBC,
Hmm.
the corporate debtor, like the company himself, itself, or the other corporate debtor is have the right to go to the IBC, and the IBC limit, if the bill if the default is more than 1 CR, and the IBC
See,
procedure is going
actually,
to.
I suggest you go through google.co.in and search Insolvency Bankruptcy Code 2016. Here, the code aims to resolve insolvencies in a strict time bound manner. The evaluation and viability determination must be completed within 180 days. Moratorium period of 180 days extendable up to 270 days for the company. Like that, you should go through that. What is Section 7 of IBC? A financial creditor, either by itself or jointly, shall make an application for initiating the corporate insolvency resolution process against a corporate debtor under Section 7 of the code in Form 1, accompanied with documents like that. Then, what is the new Insolvency Act that's be answered? What are the steps in insolvency procedure? Number one, application to NCLT, appointment of interim insolvency resolution. Number three, moratorium. Number four, verification. Number five, appointment of the resolution professional. Like that, it goes. So please prepare on that also. In fact, if possible, I will prepare a video on that and then post it. I have not covered on that so far. Good. So far, I
Okay.
have been asking only questions that I have given in the WhatsApp page of yours or in the save folder. Last question. Please tell me what is NABFID?
NABFID.
FID. NABFID.
National NAF, Financial and Infrastructure.
Hmm. What are they doing?
So I
National
know
Bank for Financing
infrastructure.
Infrastructure and Development. It's a very big organization, much bigger than I'd say even our Exim Bank. I don't know honestly, but the salary they pay is very high. Please go through that also. NABFID.org.
Okay.
You must know about that because they are asking in the Exim Bank interviews. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Where is its headquarters?
NAFID.
NABFID headquarters. It's also in Mumbai. Very good.
Mumbai.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Best wishes. I will stop recording this.